Oh no. Ooh, it's bright out. Oh man. And the reality is this, aside from severe bedhead, I'm parked on the street in Cayucos and I'm broken down. Last night I was rolling into town, coming in to catch the sunset, and I was gonna park up here anyways, not in this spot specifically. I'm coming up the hill into Cayucos, and just half a mile from the exit, give it some gas, and instead of accelerating, it decelerates rapidly. And I just start losing the power. Not electric, but like gas power to the van. And it's kind of sputtering a little bit. I make it off the exit, I hang a left, and I start coming down the hill here into town, and it just dies completely. And I managed to pull over to the side of the road, and I try as I might to restart it. It turns over, just sputters and dies out. I managed to put it in neutral and just roll it down the hill a little bit to the spot that I'm at right now. And anyways, this reminds me a lot of what happened to my old car. The last car I had, same thing happened. And it turned out to be something with the fuel pump or the fuel pump sensor. And I'm thinking that it feels exactly like the same thing. Like the gas isn't getting where it needs to go. Oh man, this is the last thing I wanted to deal with today. But I'm gonna have to deal with it on some level. It's a Sunday, and that makes things more difficult. Nothing's gonna be open for a while. So I think what I'm gonna do, instead of just getting down on myself about it, I'm gonna make some coffee, get myself ready for a day, and move forward one step at a time. I'm pretty well caffeinated. I've woken up. It is a beautiful day here in Cayucos. I'm gonna try the engine and see what's doing. Got the key, put it in the ignition. It fired up. Sounds fully alive. It's not sputtering, not doing anything weird. The batteries charge is good. Oil pressure's good. Huh, weird. I don't know what to think about that. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna just pull over to a beach parking lot here right around the corner, just in case. I actually was planning on spending my day in Cayucos today anyways. So hopefully, I don't know, there's something wrong. There's something gremlin in the system somewhere. These kind of things just don't work themselves out overnight. Or do they? Well, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you informed. So far, so good. Wild. I don't know what happened. I am gonna have to get this looked at some point if it doesn't happen again in the near future. But for now, I'm just gonna pull over here, have coffee number 2, and enjoy the view. All these guys are here. I'm pretty sure they just stayed there last night. They were here yesterday. Even though you're not supposed to park here, like I said, the sheriff really don't mind unless you're being a nuisance. Ah, it just died. I just parked up and the engine died. I was gonna let it run for a little bit and see how it did, but nothing doing now. Yep, and that's what it was doing last night. Well, at least we're parked up in this beautiful spot right next to Cayucos Pier and right next to some other van lifers. So I let this guy over here check out my cooler. He's gonna see if it'll fit in his van, which I don't know how big that cooler is. It's highly unlikely. Nice little van here, surfer style, solo male van life. But yeah, it didn't really work out for him. That cooler's way too big for most of any van. All right, I'm going old school. Just gonna put it out on the market here. Make a little sign, see what happens. Well, the thing with parking up near the beach all the time is a lot of sand gets everywhere, so it's a daily, multi-time a day occurrence. Got to sweep out the dirt. So it's official, I'm broken down. I'm here in Cayucos and I'm just gonna hang out. It's Sunday. A lot of mechanics aren't open today and I really just don't want to deal with it today. I got a nice little spot here I'm parked up at and I'm just gonna take a chill day, enjoy the fabulous beach town of Cayucos and probably go walking around a little bit too. No takers on the cooler yet. Let's go for a little bit of a walkabout, shall we? Ducky's Chowder House is a popular spot for chowder, fried clams, and seafood. Got a nice little takeout window on the side there, and a little bit of a patio dining area set up outside right now. Across from that is a cool little bed and breakfast, but neither of those are the reason why I'm down here. I'm down here for this beautiful mural painted bathroom facility. So just off to the left of the pier and to the right of the bathroom, you'll find this nice little classic outdoor beach shower. Nothing fancy, but if you need to wipe some sand off your feet, there you go. Yours for the taking. Now you'll notice along the beach here in Cayucos, they got a lot of outdoor little play areas for the kiddos. So this tends to be more of a family-centric beach area. Now, of course, there's lots of places to eat here. Oceanfront Pizza, they sell slices for like $3. not a bad slice. And this is a real popular spot, the smokehouse for smoked meats and fish and whatnot. Of course, the Brown Butter Cookie Company across the way is also another popular spot. That's a cool high-top van. Check out the patina on this car. How sweet is that? And this is a sweet little bed and breakfast right across from the pier on the beach. Bed and breakfast. And it is right on the beach. But that luxury also comes with a price. They're talking about $300-400 a night, I'm pretty sure. That's an interesting job.
Waxing the board?
De-waxing the board.
Yeah, clean wax.
And then you re-wax it?
Yep.
Could be fun.
Yeah.
It could be.
Good for rental.
Yeah. Cool little town here at Cayucos, isn't it? Nice little beach community, surfers, palm trees, skate park, great places to eat, snacks. Could be worse places to break down, I guess. That's for sure. Could be in the middle of the desert somewhere. Had I been going to Vegas, who knows? But, I mean, look at this. Beautiful. And this is where I'm spending the night. And if anyone comes to knocking, well, I'm broken down. I'm getting towed in the morning. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Haha, finally, an interested party in the cooler. Let's see if they really want it. You guys need a cooler? Yeah. You know what? I thought it was going to work for me in here. That thing is just too big. Yeah, have at it. Enjoy. All right. Well, something good happened today. Got rid of the cooler to some youngsters in need of a big party chest. Well, I'm glad somebody gonna make use of it because not doing anything in here. The clouds grow dark and the day grows long and the beachgoers disappear and only the van lifers remain.